guys, it's Erica and I'm doing another grocery shopping video. So I missed a couple of places last time, so this time I'm gonna I'm gonna get the ones that I missed. But right now I'm at John's, which I've never been to. I've always thought it was a knockoff of Vons, so we're gonna see if they have any plants. Alright, so as soon as you walk in, before you even get past the little gates, the plants are out here. And right here I see a Dracaena marginata. And I don't know how much this baby is, but it's pretty big. Hold on, let me figure this out. It is $19.99. And then this peace lily right next to it is also $19.99. Moving on, over here, a Calathea medallion for $9.99. This one caught my eye because I love these. This is an alocasia African mask. I can't remember the scientific name for it, but this one is $9.99. Another medallion. Some more Dracaenas here. This one is a 10-inch lemon lime Dracaena for $14.99, and this one's probably the same. $29.99 for this money tree, which it's in a 10-inch pot, so I think that's a good price. Over here, another Dracaena. This one is pretty big. It's $29.99 for this 10-inch pot, but it's really tall. And then some succulents. And then, oh my gosh, Calathea, $9.99. The soft ones, jungle velvet. So nice. Some more of the medallion ones. And then begonias. I'm pretty sure this is a begonia, but I don't really know much about them. Let me see what the tag says. Oh, Urban Air. Okay. Urban Air does not tell you what their plants are. But this one is, oh, it does say right here. Begonia. $8.99. Okay. Oh, there's some plants on that side too. I'll go there in a second. But we still have some Scheffleras here. And these are 8-inch Scheffleras for $9.99. Wow, I think that's pretty good. $10 for these bibis. A ponytail palm for $29.99. I'm gonna say that's really good. I think a ZZ plant for $13.99. Let me see this. It's extremely poisonous. Croton and Dracaena mixed together, $9.99. Oh my gosh, this dieffenbachia is crazy. Look at this leaf. Oh my gosh. And this one is an 8-inch for $19.99. Dude, I think that's really good. Look at this plant. It's so big. I love it. If I did not have one, I would buy that. Because that looks amazing. That's a great plant. Okay. Moving on. Some pothos. Probably $20. $25.99 for these. They're already staked and everything. So I guess. And then over here we have Croton's little baby dieffenbachia. Little baby dieffenbachias. I think this is a good price. $2.99 for a 4-inch. I've seen them at like Home Depot and stuff, and I think they're more expensive than that, but I can't really remember for sure. These cute little cacti, $2.99. It's like normal price. $2.99. Croton, maybe everything here is $2.99. Dracaenas. I think $2.99 is good. And I think this is a baby peace lily. Wow, these prices are good. They're so cute. I really like the big dieffenbachia. That one's crazy. And even some syngoniums back here. Okay, I think that's it. There's a snake plant back here. This is a really adorable snake plant. Aww. Okay, who knew, but John's is like better than Vaughn's, I guess. Yep. Okay, I'm not gonna get anything from here, but if I were to get anything, it would be that giant dieffenbachia, because that thing is beautiful and I think that's a good price. Okay, I almost missed it, but they also have this cart here full of succulents and African violets, which are $2.99. It's the price of African violets anywhere, pretty much. But yeah, these succulents are really cool. I was wondering about that because they didn't have any out front. Some rosos. This is, I recently killed my peperomia rosso. It's done forever, and these do not look healthy at all either. But they're $3.49, and some other little flowers. Okay, now I think that's it. I think we've seen everything here. I'm at Albertsons, and I'm a little bit shocked that there's an Albertsons here because I thought they all closed down. Hopefully they have plants, because John's was real good. John's had some good plants. Okay, let's go. Okay, well, as soon as you walk up here, there's a bunch of succulents. All right, we're gonna go inside now. Here's what we got once walking in. This plant is $22.99, and it is definitely because of the pot, because that plant is not doing well at all. But they have like a little mixture. So right here we have a silver ripple, I think, snake plant, and some dracaenas. This is pretty much just regular plants you find everywhere. That's really cute. See, like variegated schefflera for $14.99 though, so maybe not cute enough. This one is mixed with an obovata, peperomia obovata, but this leaf is huge. That's crazy. Jeez. Okay. Oh my god. Wow, this is $99.99, and it has Xerographica inside, and this one that looks like those like head scratchers. Well, you could get this glass from Goodwill, put in some rocks, put in some of your plants, and you don't have to spend $43.99 on it. Is this the peperomia obovata? It is. Why are these leaves so big? This one is $14.99. Peace lily, schefflera. This pothos is really pretty, but this $28.99. No, man, this is not a healthy pothos either. I think this is all the plants that they have. Oh, right here, palm. Everything here you're just paying for the pots. This is $19.99. There was like those $2 ones that we saw at John's, so you know. Oh my gosh, this is a crazy pothos. Look at this variegation. I've only seen these in grocery stores. I literally bought one last time for $20. All right, and then this is the rest of their plant section. I'm gonna say this is not that great of a... How much is this? Nobody knows how much this is. Okay, well, so I'm gonna head out. How much is this? I don't know why they don't have their prices on here. This is a cute schefflera. I'm pretty sure it's a schefflera. Okay, we're out of here. Get it at Gelsons. Get it at Gelsons. I see some plants at the entrance. Here at the entrance, we have ivy. Different types of ivy for $5.99 or Oh, I think they're all just $5.99, which I think is a little bit overpriced. Oh my goodness. I love this pot. Oh my gosh, how much is it? Because I'm about to buy this right now. And I could easily make one myself by drawing on one that I find at like Goodwill or something, but I'm about to buy this pot right now. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. Ooh, there's some air plants here for $3.99, which I think is a really good price, actually. They're very tiny. They're really cute. Wow. You know that big, expensive, like, terrarium thing at the other store? Like, you could just throw some of these in there in like a vase that you find at Goodwill and call it a day. Maybe some rocks too. So far here, there's just different types of ivy. And then this. Whatever this is. Grape ivy, it says. So I guess that's a type of ivy too. Oh my gosh, they have pilea here. Girl, there is a philodendron Brazil right here for $19.99, which is expensive, but they got these crazy pilea, $24.99. I was not expecting this. This is looking like a good trip. I don't know if I should buy one though. This is massive. It has 3 plants inside. You guys, there's like 5 plants inside this one. These pileas are crazy. $25 for these big mamas. Some more ivy, Echeveria succulents, dracaenas. Okay, so the ivies are $10 each. They do come with this pot. But I'm still shocked by this pilea and that philodendron Brazil that I saw. $20 for this big thing? I think that's good. Okay, I'm not gonna get this pilea because I'm not good at taking care of it and it's way too big for me to learn how to take care of. But this is cool. Money tree. This weird fern. Goodbye, philodendron Brazil. Let's just look at it closer. This doesn't look that healthy. I don't know. Poor little plant is in here. Here are their African violets. $7.99 each with these pots. And look at this adorable little... Wow, that's a really big leaf. Taking a walk over to Trader Joe's. It says we can die. Alright, we made it to Trader Joe's. And here we got a bunch of flowers. These ones are really pretty because they're like orange. Anyways, over here they have crotons, bromeliads, snake plants. I think that this is a spider plant. $5.99 for each. This is really pretty. Okay, we're gonna go inside, see if they have anything else because I'm not so sure if they do. I am at Food for Less right now. I came here to go to Goodwill, but there's a Food for Less, so I'm gonna check it out. I don't think that there's gonna be any plants in there. I think it's gonna be like all these, but it's worth a shot because I haven't bought any plants yet. Hopefully I find a good deal or a good plant there that I can purchase. Okay, so I was expecting this place to be like all these, but I guess they do have a little bit of a plant selection here. It's really dead, and they're mostly pothos and some bromeliads, but at least they have plants, right? So these are just $5.99, which for the state of their health, this one is $6.99. So I guess the hanging ones are $5.99 and the potted ones are $6.99. So I'm not sure if these prices are good, but these plants are pretty dead. The potted ones are okay, so maybe those would be okay. And then the bromeliads here are like $7.99 for a small one, and then $12.99 for a big one. Last stop, Vallarta. So these are all the plants that they have. I'm gonna say this is just a really small Vallarta. that's it for today's video. I didn't get any plants. If I were to get a plant, I would have gotten that dieffenbachia, that big one, for like, I think it was $20. I don't remember. But I think that was a really good price for the size of that plant because it had such giant, beautiful leaves. And then I think that Gelsons also had cool plants. It had the pilea and the philodendron Brazil, although they weren't really that healthy and they were kind of expensive. So overall, I guess it just depends what market you go to, like the location of the market, which market it is, and just if you happen to find a plant that's great, then it's a steal. Okay, the man next to me is coming back to his car. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!